Learn German fast with Frau Kohl.
Hallo und herzlich willkommen. Welcome to a very fast German language lesson. If you're learning German for work, for study, or just to improve your life, you are in the right place. Today we start with the foundations of everything. The German alphabet, the special characters, and the basic pronunciations. This lesson is perfect for absolute beginners, even if you know zero German. Let's go. Let's start with the German alphabet, or rather, das Deutsche Alphabet. It has 26 letters, just like English, plus 4 other special letters. I will say each letter and you repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, V, X, Y, Z. Super! You now know all 26 letters. Now let us look at the special letters. Number 1, A. A. Example in a word, Äpfel, to mean apples. Number 2, we have the special letter Ö. Ö. Example in a word, schön, schön, meaning beautiful. Number 3, we have Ü. Ü. Example in a word, Tür, Tür. Tür means door. Number 4, we have SZ. It's pronounced like double S. SZ. Example in a word, weiß, weiß. Weiß meaning white. Now let us look at the important pronunciation tips. Number 1, R. The German R is pronounced from the throat, R, and not with the tongue, R. Example in a word, Reise, Reise. Reise means a trip. Number 2, the CH sound. There are 2 types. Soft CH sound. For example, ich, meaning I, or nicht, meaning not. The second time is the hard ach sound. For example, machen, machen. Machen means to do or to make. Or Buch, Buch, meaning a book. Number 3, the confusion between V and W. V sounds like F, while W sounds like V. Example, Vogel, meaning bird, Vogel. And Wasser, meaning water. Great job! Today you've learned the entire German alphabet, the special characters, and the important pronunciation tips. If you have mastered this lesson, then you are ready for lesson number